Let's talk about nature. It's a rainy day in Buenos Aires, Santo Eduardo. Here is the place that I hiding. Oh, it's a nice place. It's a very, very nice place. I believe it in Michael Jackson. Take a little place, make it a better place for you and for me and entire human race. Here is the point. That's the point. To live with simplicity, not simplism, but with simplicity. Adding acknowledgement in everything you do. Here we have some little fruits. Acerola. Do you know acerola? Oh God, this is acerola. Acerola. Dum, dum, dum. Yeah. Respect nature. You will need it. All the knowledge we can get in our lives, I think sometimes it's hoarded on in nature. A big secret. Maybe the main thing can destroy the nature, can destroy the world, the material things, but the power of life in the nature, nobody can do it. Nobody can change it. You only can help it to be perfect, to be better, because it is perfect. You can help it only to come up to the life, to the material life, and you will have a fantastic power to use in the medicines and everything you need. You have medicines, elements to heal you from everything that hurt you and scare you in the life. You have it in the nature elements. Bromelia, do you know what is it? This is a kind of medicine for your internal organs. Oi?